bros and hams, bros, bro, hams, and of course, ladies, welcome back to an episode of Minecraft Bedwars. You may be asking why I'm putting a wood defense around my bed. Well, if you are able to read and you saw the title, you know that if I lose a game, then I have to release my pack early, which is kind of not what I want to do. I've been not releasing it early. That guy is either laggy or I'm laggy. He disconnected. It was probably him. Well, I'm not losing yet, so that's a good start. I am going to be playing this a little bit sweatier than if I do normally play it, and that is because I do not want to release this pack early. Releasing this pack early means that you guys have no motive to subscribe, and that's pretty much, I feel like, the only reason you guys are subscribing. I mean, it can't honestly be because I have good content, because I absolutely don't. That's not a thing I have. So, you know, I don't really want to lose. Okay, I was going to say I'm not going to be getting obby because I'm not that much of a loser, but it turns out I probably should have got obby, because look, someone just got my bed. Why would they do that? What loser honestly would do that? That's not very nice of them. It was Gray. Gray is not nice. Gray, you are over there. Gray, I don't really want to have to deal with you. Hopefully by the time I get over there, I have an easy way to get his bed. I don't think I do. This is not good. This is not good. Got him. Red's there too. Bro, what is this? What is this nonsense? Red, Gray, everyone get out of my way, please. Yeah, I'm sweating. I'm just getting diamonds and emeralds. That's how you sweat in this game. You just get so OP that no one can kill you. You play it like a Monopoly game. Everyone knows the person who has Boardwalk just instantly wins. It's just a matter of time. Once I get pearls, no one should be able to stop me. If someone does stop me, then I'm just bad. Yeah, see, the only person alive is green. Or I should say the only person who has a bed is green. And, yeah, it doesn't really seem like that good. Like, Bedwars players aren't that good. Okay, we're just gonna establish that right now. That's just a fact. We all know it. Bedwars players and good, you don't put them in the same sentence. Oh no, what are you doing, sir? Is that obby? I don't think you have obby, do you? Do you? No, you don't. So why are you putting your bed defense like that? You're scaring me, dude. Die, 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 die. Thank you, you are dead. And so is your bed. And I eat this apple, and you will also be dead. And dead, 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 dead. Dead. Oh, he hit me once. Darn. Red is all the way over there? Come on. Why do they have to be so far? Nope. You just got pranked. Nope. No, sir. You just got pranked. And let me hit his eye off with my fist. Or kill him with my fist. Alright, okay, he's gonna come in there. And now he's dead. See, I never lose. It's all good. It's all good. I never lose. So we're green. We're going up against Dude. That sounds like a sweaty name if I've ever heard one. Alright, that does sound pretty sweaty. And I'm probably gonna lose because I'm also not playing safe. I'm just going over and rushing this guy. You know, I really care. Alright, oh, what is this ping, bro? If this is why I lose, I'm gonna be mad. I'm gonna be mad. Alright, that was kind of trash. Okay. And I somehow protected my bed without him getting it. Am I a legend? I sure am. That guy should be gone. Let's go. Well, White's bed is gone. And White is right there. Alright, I have the sharpness iron sword. Alright, is this like serious, bro? Okay, you're done. You're out of the game. I'm almost out of the game by falling into the void, but I didn't. Pink and red are the only people left in the game, and pink went to white, so they're probably coming to me next. Red's probably going to me because they're only like one base over. Actually, no. Red was going for white, or whatever that team is. I'm colorblind. I'm actually not. I'm stupid. But red may be going for me now because red is pretty close to me, but he's also close to pink. 2 bases away from pink, 2 bases away from me. I honestly don't know who he's gonna go for. Kind of a flipping the dice, flipping the coin here, flipping the dice. Yeah, that's not normally what you do with dice, but I guess in this case it is. All right. Yeah. I thought I was going to be sweating, and I kind of was that first game, and I just don't care. Which is kind of how it normally goes when I'm recording Bedwars. I just start out like, oh yeah, we got this, we're sweating, and it goes just, what is this game? All right, unless you like are laggy, just don't take knockback, which I like that you did. You're dead now. He's gonna try to come up to me, and I'm just gonna boom gang him, bro. Boom gang. All right, or I can lag so hard I die, but I don't die, I'm just close to dying. What is this? 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 Can someone please explain? Alright, so red is over there. I see him. Let's go. That was not a really good idea. Let's see what happens. I have a bow, so I should be able to get him. Unless I goof up, which I really could honestly do. Come on, die. And I'm the best. My dragon is stuck. Hacks! Okay. Alright, so all I have to do is like place a block. And I'm bad, I can't do that. No, I could have got him if I didn't do that. And I got him anyway, let's go. Yeah, so I'm not sweating to the point where I'm getting obby or like rushing a punch bow. But I am going to be trying a little bit harder than what I normally do, which is literally troll around. The reason I'm doing this is because Bedwars is just too easy at this point. I don't do anything. I win. I would play ranked Bedwars, but that's kind of what nerds do. I mean, I just don't think people would watch it. I know like Bombies or whatever, she or he, whoever the person is, got popular from doing it. And I don't know. It's just kind of weird. It's not public enough to where people, I feel like a lot of people would watch for the content. Like, people just watch for normal Bedwars videos, and that's what I do. I just play normal Bedwars videos, but it is really easy. I don't really do anything, and I take dubs, so. Alright, see, look, that was very difficult. These are the type of opponents I go against. It's very difficult. Alright, red's coming back. What are you doing? Is Aqua also going to go for me? Is this going to be a 2v1 moment? Is this guy, are you guys going to get what you want, which is me losing? So I give you my pack. I don't know if that's going to happen. I have to sweat red, then go and sweat Aqua, which is kind of why I'm doing this, dude. I'm trying to sweat. That's the whole idea of this. And you should be gone. Unless you're not. Aqua, please don't be near me. No, you're dead. Now, I'm the only one left with the bed, which means I'm going to be getting 2v1'd. So, that's nice. But Aqua's all the way over there. He's probably eyeing down pink or something. I don't really know where pink is. I'm not too sure what this guy's doing, but he should be dying now. And die. Let's go. GG's. And this guy's about to die. Place down that TNT. It explodes. I get the bed. He's probably going to do something to try to kill me. And I'm going to say, no sir, that's not legal. He's hiding behind that block thing. I don't really like that idea. But it doesn't matter, I kill him anyway. Let's go. I have no health, so if I meet anyone at middle, that will not be a good situation for me to be in. I'd have to like one hit them off or something, which I'm not ready to do. Dude, gray is a sweat. Oh my gosh, look at them, bro. The sweatiest people I've ever seen. Bro, this guy is going everywhere. What in the world, dude? This guy is telling everyone, do/zoo. Did he actually do it? He did it. Dang. Yellow and gray are now having a feud. Oh, gray died. Gray finally died. We need to mark this moment down in history. This guy never dies. He went to like 5 bases before he died. And he died by getting one tapped into the void. I feel this guy's pain. Oh, no, 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 gray. Gray, no, that's not legal. Gray, that's not nice. You know, Gray, I thought we were buds. Thought we were friends. Apparently not. And dead. That was difficult. And that's his story. Oh, let me get this guy's bed first. And let's go. Let me drink all this stuff. And this guy die. Let's go. I never lose. Alright guys, well I am on a 5 win streak, so I think it's pretty safe to end it. You know, I don't lose. You guys aren't getting Dector back. That's just how it goes. Alright guys, see you in another life.